Take a picture.
All right, go.
Hey guys, last video I started out in a chopper. In this video, if you have, I would suggest you watch the one before this. This video, well, I'm saying this, but next time that I explode, you're gonna hear epic fail. And this is the person that's been recording for these two videos. That's my mom.
Hi. Can I give you that? Can I give you my phone?
Mama.
Oh, okay, I'm doing it.
And a cop car hit this, so any cop car I see in this video, I'm gonna kill. Which I just exploded a ton of cars. Blah, 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 blah.
Ah!
Woohoo!
That was cool.
No more lights. Yeah! Who wants me to kill him?
Epic fail. I came back at my phone. Hands, both of them.
Any cops?
Wait, put the other one down.
See that move right there?
That was an epic fail. Oh.
Yeah, you killed a seagull.
A what?
A seagull? You're supposed to kill him.
Oh, you're supposed to feed them hot dogs.
No, you're supposed to kill him. Even though there is hot dogs in this game. Wait.
I just ate a hot dog.
Wait. Who dares me to get in a FBI? OMG.
How did that even happen?
It glitched out. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering how I did that, how I turned on the siren is if you have an Xbox 360, see this? But you press it once like that. You press it once instead of holding it. But if you're in this and you want to honk your horn, you can't. If you go like this, it'll change. So those two sounds, but I think there's more. If there's a PS3. I think there's more on PS3.
Here, put your hand out. Here, put your hand on this side.
If you are. Woohoo!
Move.
Sup, buddies? If you see how fast I'm going, who wants me to dive out of my car? Do you, Mama?
Yep.
Okay, wait.
Do it. Oh my god.
Face plant. Wah, wah, wah. By the way, this shotgun, never mind. The shotgun that I was using, it takes 2 shots to kill a car. Like to set it on fire. Hey, cops. Take that. Oh, by the way, if you saw that crane exploded, well, for some reason there's a mission called Boom Boom, and you explode. And you explode a train and other stuff. And an airplane. Headshot. 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 Hey, no, 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 no! Hey, no, 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 no! No. No.
Kaylin. Okay, no.
No.
Oh, by the way, guys.
No.
If you want to see my baby sister Ray Ray, there she is. Say hi, Ray Ray. Can you say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's my baby sister Raylin. Okay, back to the video. That's very nice. Oh, by the way, today I'm filming it on a rainy day. That's why. 1 second. And that's why my videos are so long today. Because there's nothing else to do. Oh, I also have Minecraft videos. Just go and see my related videos to this, and it's called Minecraft Experts 1 and Minecraft Experts 2, because Minecraft Experts is my channel. It's me and my dad. So if you're new to the channel, at the end, subscribe and join Minecraft Experts. Wah. You don't have uses for anything. Watch this, everyone. Watch this.
Oh my god.
I broke my car! Yay!
Wait.
Are you playing too?
And my baby sister Raylin, she likes to pretend that she's playing too. Look, Ray, can you say hi to my viewers and show them your controller? She always holds the controller upside down though.
Shoot him, Raylan.
Good job, Ray Ray. Papa Bear mad. Ah! I'm gonna hijack a cop car. I think it's a good idea. Oh, and there's actually 3 sounds because it goes like and switch to radio. Dang it. Oh, sweet, a Turismo. Sweet, a Turismo. Hey. I'm a cop. No. Wrong car. I'm not running.
Bubby.
Really?
Wow.
Ah! Yes, I love the darkness. Not in real life, though. Woohoo! That was kind of good.
Right.
Go away! I don't want you. Wah. Oh! Watch this. Oh, who likes tanks? If you do, leave them in the comment and I'll give you the cheat code in some other video. It's called an APC. Right here. Bulletproof tires. Because it's a tank. I'm in a tank. I destroyed your car.
What do you have?
Look, I destroyed the car.
Awesome.
Wah, wah, wah. Who wants to get some real heat? Bye-bye. They will never catch me. What the? I ran over you. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, if you're ever in GTA 5, do not run over anything in the tank. Because the tracks, they just go like, they explode. They'll kill you. If, like, oh, by the way,